Alrighty, welcome back to the RAW series of game development using Gamemaker. We're gonna get going quickly on this one. Basically, I'm gonna create a new bullet. We're just gonna have a second bullet in this one, and you're gonna pick it up. You're gonna walk over it, and that'll be picking it up, and then you're gonna start shooting that bullet. So yes, let's get to it. What we're going to do is, I haven't drawn anything, so this is a raw series, remember? We're doing everything from scratch, and I'm going to showcase everything I do. So, we make one 32 by 32. Remember, I use a sprite. We're just going to say bullet. Actually, what we're going to do is open recent if we have our recent one. Yep, our sprite player. So remember in here, don't know if we did create a bullet here. I don't think we did. No. Well, it's still 32 by 32 sprite. So you know what? We're going to create a bullet here. I'm going to say what we're going to do. We're actually going to go bullet 1. And because we're going to recreate the original. And we're going to say bullet 2. New tag. Bullet 2. And all we're going to do is going to be pretty simple. We'll just make a new layer. We'll just call this one bullet. So why am I guess designing everything in the one a sprite file? Well, I'm just trying to keep it nice and tight, nice and simple. So yeah, with this one you can toggle vertical symmetry. A little handy little feature. So if I do that, there you go. There's one of our bullets. We're gonna make that one blue. I'm gonna go to this one. This is gonna be our crazier bullet. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here, and we're just going to go like this. Ooh. Oh, no, I don't like that. Let's go. That one should be right. Something a little different. I'll make that one purple. So yeah, and you know what? We're just going to get some cool little design chops. So yeah. Yeah, I might even just give it some more little design chops. Yeah, so I'm just playing around now. Anyway, there we go. There's our bullet. Crazy little bullet. So I'm going to save this. We're going to Control E, sprite. Go bullet 1, output. Sprite door is going to change to sprite bullet. Right, export that. I'm going to go Control E again, sprite, back to bullet 2, output, and instead of bullet, we're actually going to go underscore 2. That's bullet number 2. Alright, so we've got both of those. We're going to go back to our game. So as I said, we're going to change the first sprite. So we're going to go import. We're going to go sprite bullet. Right, looks worse than it looks. That makes sense. We're then going to duplicate this. I'm going to call this one sprite 2. Alright, from here, sprite bullet 2, sorry. I'm going to open that up. We're going to do an import. I'm going to bullet 2. There you go. We're just going to name underscore 2. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we've got an object bullet, but what we need to do is create object bullet pickup. So we're going to do an object bullet pickup 1 and 2, as well as we're going to create a child bullet of the object bullet. So the easiest thing we can do is for now, we create a new object first. So we'll create the second bullet. We get a new object. This one's called object. Right, we're going to pick our sprite for the new bullet 2, this one here, and then we're going to go parent here, select an object bullet. So basically pick up everything of the object bullet. Now, the difference we're going to make is we're going to make this on damage of 10. Just strap. So we can right click on the create event and go inherit. So we pick up everything that the old one has. Instead, we're going to go damage equals 10. So we pick up everything, so the properties of the old, but then we just override it with our damage 10 here. Outside the room, still going to destroy and everything. So the beauty of this is when it collides, object sprite has a collision with object bullet. So that's our parent bullet. And and then it's just gonna, you know, if HP is greater than 0 minus the other damage. So our other damage is 10 on the bullet 2. So now what we want to do is if we create an object, create this one, and this is going to be called object underscore bullet underscore pickup. So I'm going to say bullet underscore. We'll just go bullet pickup. I'll show you in a minute. And for this, we're just going to have the same sprite bullet. So that's our bullet pickup number 1. Right, and what we're going to do is go collision object. We're going to create a collision event with the player. So the simplest thing we know what's going to happen is underscore destroy. Let's destroy our bullet, our pickup bullet, but with the object player, we're going to say other dot. What we're going to declare here is what bullet type, basically. So we'll just say bullet type equals 1. So object of bullet type. So what we want to do is go object player event, go back to our object player. In the create event, we're going to say bullet type equals 1. Okay, then what we want to do is in the step event, we're declaring what bullet or what object bullet we shoot here. What we want to do is go if bracket bullet, bullet type is equal to 1. So I think I just double check. Yeah, so if it's equal 1, we technically want to say bullet type is this one. So bullet equals bullet type. Else if bracket bullet type equal 2. And we want to say bullet type is 2. And then what we do here is, you know, this is by default 1 anyway. But what we really want to do is go to object bullet pickup. So we know that's 1. If we go right click and create a new object. So now we're creating the new object. With this new object, this is going to be object bullet pickup 2 or bullet 2 pickup, however you like. So this is a raw series, remember. I'm not really following any standards right now. It's pretty loose. So yes, but then through here we pretty much say same thing. Sorry, we go to the parent and we pretty much objects. The parent object is our object bullet pickup, wherever it is. This one. So same thing, collision, and then our other double type in here. If we go inherit, or basically we want to change this one to 2. So I guess our what we do here is go to the create event. Remove the create event from this one. Go to the create event here, and what we want to say is our bullet type equals 1, right? Then we go to this one, and we go add event, create. So we can actually go and we can go delete. Yes. So then it got this on here, and what we can do is inherit that. And we just make that 2. So then we use the bullet type within this part here. The other bullet type will equal the bullet type of the bullet, or the pickup, bullet pickup. So remember, these two are actually different. The other bullet type is the player's bullet type. This normal bullet type here is the current object's bullet type. So in this one here, we're saying our bullet type's 2. Therefore, any collision that will make it to 2. So now what we want to do is if we go to our room, we can then add in our bullet, our bullet pickup, this one, and our bullet pickup 2 we'll put there. And what should happen if we play this, and touch wood, it does. We should be able to pick up number 1 and shoot anyway. So we can shoot number 1 anyway. Pick up number 1, keep shooting. Jump, pick up 2. Oh, there's our second bullet. So there you go. Yeah, it's a bit of a white thing. Yeah, and then from there, it's still got wide bullet 2. But what you could do is you could, basically set so yeah, we run out of bullets or whatever, and then yeah, and the bullet 1 is always the default bullet. But that's how that works. So yeah, thanks for watching. I've just noticed through doing this, the angle of the bullet doesn't exactly work either. So let's clean that up on the next episode. Anyway, enjoy and we'll speak soon. Thank you.